Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to this Mountrax foot massager. Oh, it's a massage machine with heating function. A foot massager for plantar fasciitis and relieve the pain. Of course, for relaxing too. Yeah. And deep kneading Shiatsu foot massager. It fits feet up to size of 12. It's available in gray, in black, and in white. The Mountrax foot massage machine FM001 has a mirror touch panel and a remote control. Luxurious appearance, great for our chill out. We can give it to our feet. To our feet to make it awesome chill out every day. We have a massage at any time. We share our health with our family or friends if we like. We have a healthy body and enjoy a life at home and in a healthier home. We enjoy a professional shiatsu massage with Mountrax. It equipped with two independent rolling heads with multiple ergonomic small massage heads to massage more areas of our foot for an upgraded shiatsu massage. Full coverage air compression takes us to experience deep kneading and squeeze. This allows us to fully relax after a busy day and relieve tight muscles and plantar fasciitis. We have 9 customized modes, 3 kneading and 3 air compression intensity modes can be adjusted to our personal preferences. We should use at the start from the low intensity, of course. If we feel that the squeezing is too low during use, we can adjust the air compression to the mid intensity or high intensity to obtain a stronger squeezing effect. Deep kneading massage reduces the muscle stiffness and relaxes the muscle issues and achieve the best massage effect. It can be turned on and off individually. The heating function can be keep us warm while enjoying the foot massager, accelerate the body's metabolism and blood circulation. The warmness it provides is safe for the skin and is highly comforting, especially during a cold weather outside. Or we can choose to turn it off, of course, on hot summer days. Thanks to that awesome device here, I feel so much relaxing on my foot. Mountrax inspire us healthy life. They focus on researching massage product that makes people more comfortable. At the same time, they also pay attention to the feedback of every customer like us who uses the products. To meet customers' needs in any time manner and continuously improve the products to give us a better experience. We enjoy life at home with Mountrax. We have 9 modes, we have touch control, we have remote control, optional heated, 15 and 30 minutes timer, and it's really easy to use. It has a mirror touch panel and remote control. The luxury appearance great for relaxing and chilling. The touch panel and the remote control are really easy to control, as you can see. And the automatically shuts off function can switch between 15 and 30 minutes. We have a low noise during operation for more comfortable relaxing. And deep kneading shiatsu massage improve the circulation of our body liquids inside. 9 customizable massage apps. You can choose the intensity, what you like. And It provides an optional soothing heating temperature up to 55 degrees Celsius. These are 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And an awesome thing is the sock, I can tell it now, is detachable and washable. It's a foot inserts for our foot health. Optional heated. It can be turned on and off individually. The heating function keeps our feet warm and we enjoy the foot massage. Accelerate to the body's metabolism and the blood circulation. The warmness it provides is safe for the skin and highly comfortable, especially during cold weather outside. Maybe in winter time. It's really awesome after running, for example, or after we wear high heels, or plantar fasciitis. We enjoy the life at home with this awesome device here, and it makes us so much chilly. Because we have here 3 kneading and 3 air compression intensities, and they can be adjusted to the personal preferences like we need it. We use it easily by the remote control, or we can use it on the touch panel. We can choose by our own. And of course, to remove the washable foot inserts, the only thing is you have to open the zipper, and after you open the zipper, you can remove it. Of course, then it's washable and you can insert it again. And after you insert it, you have to close the zipper too. Let it there, stay there, and then you have a good relaxing time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.